So this is my cat. She just got out of the bath, and I've taught her how to play fetch with a pack of camo filters. Alright, hey! So I threw it down the hallway. She's running to go get it. She's definitely picked it up by now. And here she comes with it back in her mouth. Alright. You ready? You ready? Go get it! Bring it back! Now, she won't do it with anything else other than a pack of camo filters. Empty one. Well, she'll do it with one with some cigarettes in it, but it's not good for her. But here we go. Come here. And there she's back again. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She's a Bengal. Just put that out there. One more time. One more time. Go. Oh. Bring it back. Bring it back. When I throw it too close, she doesn't like to bring it all the way back. There we go. And that's Jenna. Hi.